Welcome to the Chef's Kitchen. My name is Josh Michael, and with me is Ingles chef, Chef Osala. Now, what we're about to cook and many other recipes, they're online at thechefskitchen.com. Let's see. What do we do to get started? What are we doing today?
Well, we're going to do a Bucatini pasta, which is this pasta right here.
Okay.
Josh, can you grab one and tell me what you notice about the Bucatini pasta?
All right. I've been prepped here. It's got a little hole in the top of it.
Right.
All right. And now, what does that mean in Italian?
Bucatini means little mouth in Italian.
Okay.
So just the fact that it has a small, hole, and they call it a mouth. So
And that's going to soak up the sauce a lot better. And
yeah, the sauce is going to go in there. So what we have is the Bucatini's already been cooked. We have our blanched green beans right here, cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes cut in half here. We have some goat cheese. We have some roasted red peppers right here.
Excellent.
Some chopped parsley, and then we're going to finish it with some fresh basil.
Okay.
So basically, I've got some white wine here and some chicken stock, actually.
Excellent.
So it's not really a vegetarian, but we're going to just put vegetables and no
Close.
meat.
Okay.
So, so basically, that's already cooked. There's some white wine and chicken stock in there, like I said. You want to add those green beans and tomatoes to that.
All right. We'll add those first.
And get that reducing nicely.
Okay.
And nice and hot. And then let's go ahead and you can drop the roasted red peppers in there.
Excellent. All right.
Yeah, that's good. And throw all that parsley in there too, Josh, please.
A little bit of that parsley. All of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the goat cheese. And we just want to let that come to the boil.
Excellent. That's going to add that thickness right there.
It'll add a little more viscosity to it as well. Exactly. I mean, I think this is what's nice about this pasta is because it absorbs the sauce inside, it doesn't feel as heavy as a lot of other pastas.
Right, makes sense.
So, yeah, so I think it's kind of a nice sort of a springtime kind of pasta,
Nice and light.
Right. I'm gonna get the rest of that goat cheese in there. And all these ingredients are available at Ingles as well. So.
Not a bad quick summer recipe right there.
Let's go ahead and throw that pasta in there.
Yeah.
And pass me that basil too, Josh.
Some fresh basil.
Fresh basil in there. And this is a real tasty, light, fresh kind of dish.
It looks amazing and it smells absolutely amazing.
Yeah, I think that's good stuff right there. So.
Right.
A bit more.
The longer you cook it, the thicker it's going to get.
Exactly. Okay. So I think we can go ahead and plate this right now and call it a day.
Look at that. That looks great. Twist it up. That looks really good. Excellent. This recipe and many others, they're online at thechefskitchen.com. From our kitchen to yours.
Enjoy.
Oh, that looks amazing.